Hey guys, my name is Sangita and welcome to my classes Easy French. Happy to know that you are interested in a new language. I will be explaining my lessons in English and Hindi. So let's begin. So French follows the same alphabet as in English. There is no difference in the script, only with a little difference in pronunciation. So let's get started. A is pronounced as A as in avion. Now this I have written the pronunciation. The script is this, okay? So this is the pronunciation in English and I have tried to write it in Hindi for you all. So even here avion I have written in Hindi. So you all can follow it easily. So A as in avion. Next is bay, bay as in banan, bay as in banan. Say, say as in crayon, say as in crayon. They as in drapeau, they as in drapeau. A, E is pronounced as a. So A as in elephant, A as in elephant. F, F as in fear, F as in fear. J, now G is pronounced as J. So J as in giraffe, J as in giraffe. Ash, Ash as in Ebu. Now this I will explain you at the end of the lesson. So please keep on watching till the end. Ash as in Ebu. E as in igloo, E as in igloo. Now this is very important. J is pronounced as G. Now the sound of G is how we say pleasure. So the way we pronounce S in the word pleasure is the same sound which letter G takes. Okay, so it's not J, it's G. So J is pronounced as G. And jaune, jaune means yellow. So G and jaune. Now in Hindi I was not getting the pronunciation to write, so I have not written it over here. So G as in jaune. Okay. So ka as in kangaroo, ka as in kangaroo. L, L as in lion, L as in lion. M, M as in motto, M as in motto. N, N as in nerve, N as in nerve. O, O as in oiseau, O as in oiseau. P, now P is pronounced as P. So P as in poisson, P as in poisson. Q, Q as in quatre, Q as in quatre. Air, air, A-I-R, air. So that same way. Air as in runner, air as in runner. S, S as in stilo, S as in T as in tabla, T as in tabla. And please do subscribe so you can learn the language in a systematic way. Okay, now let's come back to our letters. So T as in tabla, U as in usine, U as in usine. V as in voiture, V as in voiture. W, now W is known as W, W as wagon, W as in wagon. X. X is pronounced as X. X as in xylophone. X as in xylophone. Y. Y is pronounced as Y. Y is pronounced as Y. So Y as in Yaourt. Y as in Yaourt. Next is Z. Z as in zebra. Z as in zebra. Okay. Z as in zebra. So we have completed with the alphabet. Now I'll just give you some important tips on pronunciations. Now, letter H is mostly silent in French. We have seen earlier that word ibu means owl was pronounced as ibu, not hibu, ibu. So all French words starting with the H means ash. So they will be mostly silent. Okay. Like om. The word om means a man in English. So om we pronounced as om, not hom, but om. Okay. Here the word hotel. Hotel is pronounced as hotel. Hotel. Okay. And horloge means a clock is pronounced as horloge, not horloge. It will be horloge. Okay. Now letter J. The sound of J is J. I have already explained in the beginning. So like the word pleasure, measure, treasure. So it comes like J. So like jaune, yellow color, I have already told. And jamais. Jamais means never. Okay. So after that letter T and D. So T and D have a very soft sound. They don't means the word table written in the same way as in English. But in English we say table, but here we say table. In French we say table. And word dîner is dîner, not dinner, dîner. So T and D are basically very soft. Okay. Now letter C. So letter C has got two pronunciation. One is like C as in cat, and one is C as means like S. So here the word sir, C is sir means this is the pronunciation is not k, it's sir, sir. Now CIEL is CL. CL means sky. So here we are not going to say KL, we are going to say CL because it is followed by E, it is followed by I. So the pronunciation of C instead of K, it changes to sir. Okay. Now the word cafe. Now cafe, there is no I, there is no E after C, so it will take the pronunciation of K as in cat, cafe, not safe, cafe. Now com also, no I, no E after C, so it will be pronounced as K only, so com, okay, cafe and com. So let's read all the four words together. Sir, CL, cafe, com. Now one more place, C takes the sound of letter S. Sir, when there is this little tail you can see below the C. So this mark is called the accent. So this is called the Sidla accent. So whenever there is a Sidla, and Sidla is only below C. So these Sidla and these accents are like Matra, how we use Matra in Hindi. So they are French Matras in a way you can say. So it's a Sidla over here. So when there is Sidla below C, this is just only for pronunciation that the sound of C is going to change. Okay. Now the CH sound of C will come as sh. It will be sh, not ch. It will be sh. So like shares. Shares means chair. So shares. Okay. Chateau. Chateau means a castle. So the sound over here is, or the pronunciation over here is sh, not ch, it's sh. Chaise and chateau. Now you see some marks over here on cafe, dîner, chateau. So these marks are called accents. So in the next video, we'll go about the accents. We'll do the accents, learn them in detail. Bye until then, and please do not forget to like and share my video. Thank you.